the parties can file an application under Order 6, Rule 17 of CPC in case they want to amend their original pleadings. Maybe because their pleadings which were originally filed had certain omissions, or there is some error which the party needs to rectify. In that case, he will move an application under Order 6, Rule 17 of CPC for the purpose of removing that error or that omission because it is necessary for determining the real matter in controversy. And in case the court is satisfied, the court will allow the application of amendment of pleadings and the parties can amend their pleadings accordingly. But there is another provision with respect to striking out of pleadings. Now, what is the difference between amendment of pleadings and striking out of pleadings? So, the striking out of pleadings is given under Order 6, Rule 16 of CPC, which states that the court may strike out the pleadings. The purpose of striking out of pleadings is the court may feel that there is some allegation or there is some defense or a claim which is vexatious, frivolous, or scandalous, and it needs to be struck out. In that case, the court will order for striking out of pleadings and the party is bound by the order of the court. So, amendment of pleading is at the request of the party and the striking out of pleading is at the order of the court. I hope you are clear with the difference between amendment of pleadings and striking out of pleadings. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.